Here's an activity that will put you behind the 8 ball on the green. No, it's not golf, and you're not in trouble. It's billiards, and the game's called 8 ball. Billiards is an activity that will challenge your mind and your knowledge of angles and rebounds off the side cushions. It's referred to as a cue sport, and it's no longer an activity associated with heavy smoke-filled rooms with a lot of drinking. Yes, it is an activity the whole family can get involved in. This activity is played year-round, and it is fun but will demand skill and calm, relaxed approaches to the shots you take. There are many billiard games, but one of the more common ones is 8-ball. This game makes it easy to know your balls, for they are either striped or solids. Something you may not know is billiards was the first sport to have a world championship in 1873. This activity is not too demanding physically, but makes up for it in prioritizing precision and thought. For more suggestions, go to stillaliveandkicking.org.